Are you looking for the best standalone drawing tablet? Standalone drawing tablets have become a compelling option for artists who want true portability without tethering to a computer. They combine a display, processor, and stylus input in a single device, enabling on-the-go sketching, note-taking, and even animation. In this review, I test each model for pen responsiveness, screen quality, OS capabilities, battery life, storage, and ecosystem of apps to determine real-world usefulness for beginners through advanced artists.
Product number 1, Picasso Tab X Drawing Overview. The Picasso Tab X positions itself as an affordable, entry-level standalone drawing tablet aimed at beginners and students. It ships with a pre-installed suite of drawing and animation apps, a bundled stylus, and 4 bonus items, including a tablet case and screen protector, that together create a compelling beginner-friendly package. The 10-inch display and portable form factor emphasize ease of use and classroom or travel-friendly creativity. The device relies on an Android-based setup with connectivity via Wi-Fi and a MediaTek-based hardware platform, making it approachable for users who want immediate, app-driven creativity without external hardware. In daily use, the X offers straightforward drawing performance, suitable for line work, concept sketching, and light animation tasks. The 64GB storage is modest by modern tablet standards, but the availability of Google Play and media apps expands its usefulness beyond drawing. The 1024 level pressure sensitivity and included active pen provide a natural drawing feel for beginners, though serious Illustrator workloads, heavy rastering, large canvases, or complex animation timelines may push the device toward its limits. Build quality is sturdy for its price, and the included case, screen protector, and glove add tangible value for newcomers handling the device on the go.
Product number 2, Rubens Tab T11 Pro Standalone. Overview. The Rubens Tab T11 Pro from Frunze is a robust 10.1-inch standalone tablet designed to deliver a balance between performance, portability, and beginner-friendly resources. It ships with an octa-core CPU, a 1920 by 1200 IPS display, 1024 level pen, and a suite of pre-installed drawing apps and tutorials. Its built-in 5800 mAh battery claims up to 5 hours of continuous use, making it suitable for classrooms or field sketching without a constant power source. The inclusion of USB-C charging supports flexible recharging options, including power banks for travel. Performance-wise, the 8-core octa-core CPU paired with 4GB of RAM in typical configurations provides responsive UI and smooth sketching for most 2D illustration tasks. The pressure-sensitive pen without battery is comfortable for extended sessions, and multi-touch supports intuitive gestures. The device emphasizes versatility for education and personal art, with Wi-Fi connectivity and expandable storage via micro SD. While it excels for beginners and students, power users tackling heavy textures, large files, or advanced animation timelines may reach the device's thermal and storage boundaries first.
Product number 3, Huion Standalone Drawing. The Kamvas Slate 11 from Huion is positioned as a premium standalone option, featuring a large 11-inch screen, 90Hz refresh rate, anti-glare and full lamination tech, and Android 14 with pre-installed Clip Studio Paint and IBIS Paint X. It stands out with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, expandable to 1TB, plus a sizable 8000 mAh battery. The tilt support and 4096 level pressure sensitivity on the H pencil aim to deliver a more pencil-like feel and improved accuracy for professional workflows, including note-taking and on-the-go illustration. In use, the Kamvas Slate 11 delivers smooth drawing with 90Hz refresh and full lamination for reduced parallax. The high color fidelity, 99% sRGB, and anti-glare surface help reduce eye strain during long sessions. The device's Android 14 environment widens the app ecosystem, and bundled software accelerates onboarding for beginners while remaining capable for more advanced work. However, as a standalone device, it emphasizes portability over desktop-level RAM-intensive tasks. While 8GB is adequate for many projects, very large projects with numerous layers can benefit from the larger RAM and external storage. The presence of a long-lasting battery helps ensure sessions away from a charger.
Product number 4, X11 Drawing Tablet. Picasso Tab X11 expands the brand's standalone offering with an 11-inch display and a robust software suite, including premium apps like Concepts, Infinite Painter, and Flip-a-Clip, plus an Artixo drawing tutorials app. The device emphasizes a mature software ecosystem and a slightly larger canvas than the 10-inch models, aimed at both beginners and more engaged hobbyists. With 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, it balances performance and capacity for art projects and light entertainment on the go. Performance-wise, the X11's octa-core CPU paired with 6GB RAM offers responsive multitasking and smoother canvas operations, especially when working with multiple layers or larger files. The fully laminated anti-glare 11-inch screen reduces parallax and enhances pen accuracy. The included stylus pen supports 4966 level pressure, contributing to a natural drawing experience, while the broad software bundle lowers the barrier to entry for new artists. However, as a standalone device, it may still fall short for power users who require desktop-grade performance or advanced animation timelines.
Product number 5, T8 Drawing Tablet. The Rubens Tab T8 from Frunze targets portability with an 8-inch display, octa-core CPU, 4 gigs RAM, and 64 gigs storage, expandable up to 256 gigs. It runs Android 13 and includes a suite of pre-installed drawing apps and tutorials. The compact form factor and reasonable performance make it an attractive option for students and sketching on the go, while the 4000 mAh battery promises up to 20 hours of drawing time, depending on usage. In practice, the T8 offers solid value for casual to moderate artists who want a true standalone experience without needing a computer. The 2048 level pressure sensitivity is decent for most everyday drawing tasks, and the device's portability makes it ideal for note-taking and quick concept work. However, the smaller display and limited RAM storage capacity can constrain more intensive projects or large canvases, and the OS version, Android 13, may lack some of the newer app optimizations found on Android 14 devices.